Generators, they are very noisy machines that disrupt the workplace and have a negative effect on productivity. I mean, I have a lot of complaints, especially when working in events and construction work in the city. Noise pollution, I need the power, but not such a noisy machine.
Generators. They usually make a lot of noise, but not all of them. With more than 30 years of experience in power generators, in Atraskopco we believe that there is no innovation if this innovation is not leading to higher productivity and utilization for our customers. The new 5th generation of our QAS range, what we call QAS 5, is giving this and much more.
The electric variable speed drive cooling system can ensure a really super silent machine with 5 to 8 decibels lower noise levels than competition. This sets QAS 5 apart in terms of utilization on specialized power applications, such as events, metropolitan construction, and utility emergency response. QAS 5 will boost your return on investment, no application or job will resist.